Dear Adrian, I feel much better than yesterday. I did really a lot of planning the last few months, so I'm excited to now just have fun and celebrate with our family and friends.
A little bit nervous, to be honest. I don't think I was mentally prepared because I feel like I've been married the last 3 years, so just a little bit nervous, but better now.
Thinking back, I was not sure how we were going to do this, how we were going to plan a wedding with a toddler, but I'm so happy that we pushed our wedding to after Alex arrived because we can't imagine our life without him now.
I tried reflecting on our journey here to see if I can pinpoint any given moment when I knew you were the one. When I stayed up late one night to talk to you on the phone, I had asked you, will you love me forever? And you answered that people will always change over time, but you will try to love every version of me that I become. I know I definitely fell in love with you more in that exact moment.
Here we are 18 years later, married for 3, moved on to our second home, started our beautiful little family, and I can say I'm more in love with you than ever.
Let me be greedy and say that even one lifetime is not enough. If there's a next lifetime, I will come find you.
Not only did I marry the woman of my dreams, but I married my best friend. Our love will forever be my greatest achievement, and you will forever be my life's greatest success.
My search was over, that's when I knew I've been waiting.